Question 15, part I. Use proof by exhaustion to show that for n in the natural numbers, where n is less than or equal to 4, n plus 1 cubed is greater than 3 to the power n. Okay, so proof by exhaustion is to show that for every case, this is true. And so we have 4 cases to consider, when n is 1, 2, 3, or 4. Then when n is 1, n plus 1 cubed would be 2 cubed, 3 to the power 1 would be 3, and 2 cubed being 8 is certainly greater than 3. If n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 cubed is 3 cubed, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 cubed is 27, which is certainly bigger than 9. If n is 3, then 3 plus 1 cubed is 4 cubed, 3 to the power 3 is 27, and 4 cubed is 64, which again is certainly greater than 27. And lastly, if n is equal to 4, then 4 plus 1 cubed is 5 cubed, 3 to the power 4 is 81, and 5 cubed is 125, which is greater than 81. And so showing each of the 4 cases to be true, then when n is in the natural numbers and less than or equal to 4, n plus 1 cubed is greater than 3 to the power n. Part II, given that m cubed plus 5 is odd, use proof by contradiction to show, using algebra, that m is even. If we suppose m is an odd number, then we can write m to be 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. Now we want to substitute this 2k plus 1 for m in m cubed plus 5. And so m cubed plus 5 would be equivalent to 2k plus 1 or cubed plus 5. Now you can use binomial expansion to expand this directly. I'm going to say this is the same as 2k plus 1 lots of 2k plus 1 squared. 2k plus 1 squared is 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. And now dealing with this bracket as well, 2k lots of 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 is 8k cubed plus 8k squared plus 2k. And then one lot of 4k squared plus 4k plus 1 is 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. Bringing down our plus 5, simplifying this gives me 8k cubed plus 12k squared plus 6k plus 6. Now I want to show that this is even, and if we look at this result here, I can take out a factor of 2. It's the same as 2 lots of 4k cubed plus 6k squared plus 3k plus 3. And since it's a multiple of 2, it is even, and this contradicts the statement that m cubed plus 5 is odd. And so m is even.